Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your TCL Tab 10s. So in order to do this, we'll need to open a RAR app, which we've shown how to download in our other video. Now locate the files that you want to unpack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the camera.rar, and let me show you how to unpack it. So there's multiple ways you can do it. The simplest one is to simply click on the RAR file. Now click on the arrow pointing up, that way you will unpack everything inside this archive. Click on browse, pick the destination where the files will go. Change any of the settings, you don't need to, it's not necessary, but if you just want to change them, do it. Click on OK, and our files will be unpacked. Now let's move on to our movies folder where we wanted to unpack them, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.